Yeah, today I'm going to show you the 2.4-inch LCD with touchscreen on the Gamma XLT. Let me turn it on first. As you can see, it starts with the welcome screen and it goes into the diagnostic mode just to check everything is functioning correct, especially the motor and the switches. And so this comes with 9 memory settings that you can do. And each memory setting you have an option to select set the tension for main as well as cross separately, so which is cool. And then you have the note function here. So this is currently set to 10%, but if you hold it a little longer, like 3 seconds or so, it goes into this setting mode for the note function, and you can take it all the way up to 30%. So I usually use 10% for stringing, so I just keep it at 10%. And then there is this pre-stretch function for the natural cut strings. Again, you can do 10%, and you can also adjust this 10% to go all the way up to 30% if you need 30% pre-stretch, or any value between 0 and 30%. So I'll leave it at 10%. Actually, I don't use this pre-stretch function because I primarily use poly for stringing. And then there is this how fast you want to pull the tension. So there is this. So currently it is, so let me turn off the pre-stretch. So it is set to 50%. Now you can change it to all the way to 100%, which will be the fastest tension pulling. You can take it up to 100%, or just leave it at 50%. So I just go back, just retain the 50%. Then there are 2 other switches here, not switches, I mean the touch buttons. So this is automatic or manual brake, which is not applicable to this XLT machine. And then there is also this floor stand height adjustment, again, which is not applicable to the XLT machine. And of course you have the kilogram or pound unit change. If you prefer kilogram, you can change it. And also from a tension adjustment standpoint, you can do 1 pound increment, or you can do it as a 0.1 increment if you want that accurate tension setting. So now if you go to the settings, there are several settings option available. So the first one, again, it shows string length meter. That is not applicable with the XLT machine because there's no string length meter. Then you have the buzzer on off, which you are hearing every time I press the button. If you don't want the buzzer to be there, you can turn it off. Then there is total pull information. You click on it, it shows how many total pull you have done so far. This shows now 192. Then I go back. Then you have the electronic box touch sensitivity, which is, once you press this touch screen buttons, how sensitive it needs to be if you want to adjust. So there is different setting for that. I think it is fine with the default setting, so I don't need any adjustments there. Then finally you have the restore factory settings, which you will reset every settings you have made to the machine. Or then finally the calibration, if you want to calibrate the tensioner. So you can do the calibration. There is a specific procedure for it, which I can cover in a different video. Okay, that's all relating to this new 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen for the Gamma XLT machine.